How to get rid of baby millipedes. Millipedes, although they make the skin crawl, are harmless creatures that will find their way into your home, garden or woodpile. These creepy crawlers have 400 legs, but they move very slowly in search of a warm, wet place to live in search of their next meal. This usually consists of leaves, roots and any other decaying plant matter. Getting rid of millipedes in your home is as much about exclusion as it is actually killing or removing the insects, which is accomplished without having to touch them. Things you'll need: dehumidifier, sticky traps, vacuum. Examine the outside of your home for any cracks in the foundation, holes in the siding or breaks along the windows. Repair or caulk these areas, especially at ground level, to block the millipedes from entering the house. Run a dehumidifier, especially in the basement. Millipedes enjoy a soggy, wet environment, and the drier the home, the more likely the millipedes will not enter, or will die soon after coming inside. Avoid overwatering your lawn and garden. This excessive moisture will attract millipedes to your lawn, garden and home. Instead, allow the ground around the perimeter of your home to dry, before it is watered again. Remove any moist mulch or decaying leaves around the outside of the home, as it will provide a soggy buffet that will attract millipedes to the area. Set out sticky traps throughout your home, especially areas that millipedes will be found, such as the basement, inside closets and under the kitchen sink. Allow the sticky trap to remain for 1 week before discarding it, and any millipedes captured, in an outdoor trash can. Vacuum up any millipedes you see crawling around your floors or kitchen cabinets. The millipedes are dark and move very slowly, making them easy to spot. Check out the places listed above that millipedes frequent and around the rest of the home, once or twice a week. Empty the vacuum in an outdoor trash can, once the millipedes have been removed from the home.